Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic gummies at home. First, gather your essential ingredients like unflavored gelatin, your preferred liquid base such as juice, and a high-quality probiotic powder. You will also need silicone gummy molds and a whisk. Selecting a probiotic powder with a robust CFU count is important for effectiveness. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, you'll prepare your gummy base. Start by blooming 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold liquid for about 5 minutes. While that softens, gently heat 1 cup of your chosen liquid base on the stovetop, ensuring it doesn't boil. Then, whisk the bloomed gelatin into the warm liquid until it is completely dissolved and smooth. This creates the perfect foundation for your gummies. Now it's time for the star ingredient. Let your gelatin mixture cool for a few minutes, ensuring it's warm but not hot. This protects the live cultures. Gently stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of your probiotic powder until it's well combined. Then, using a dropper or small spoon, carefully fill your silicone gummy molds. Work efficiently, as the mixture will begin to set as it cools. Finally, it's time to chill and enjoy your creations. Place the filled molds in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the gummies are completely firm. Once set, carefully pop them out of their molds. To maintain their potency and freshness, store your delicious homemade probiotic gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They are a wonderful way to support your gut health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.